Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with UHealth, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with UHealth, start by visiting the official UHealth website. Look for the patient registration section, usually located on the home page. Click on the Register Now button. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and contact details. Make sure to provide a valid email address. Create a secure password that meets the site's security requirements. Next, you will have to enter your address and insurance information if applicable. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Check your email for instructions and next steps to activate. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. After activating your account, return to the UHealth website. Log in using your email and the password you created. Explore the available features and resources tailored for registered patients. Congratulations, you are now registered with UHealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.